Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. The only thing you can give a man without hurting him is an opportunity. Greatest thing in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. As we advance in life, we learn the limits of our abilities. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say what is and what is definitely not possible. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said, faster horses. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. The basically simple things are best, whether it's automobiles or diets or philosophy. Any man can learn anything he will, but no man can teach except to those who want to learn. The depression was just a state of mind. It is over for everyone who has changed his state of mind. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice. The best way is always the simplest. The attics of the world are cluttered up with complicated failures. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Greatest thing we can produce is character. Everything else can be taken from us, but not our character. A market is never saturated with a good product, but it is very quickly saturated with a bad one. The short successes that can be gained in a brief time and without difficulty are not worth much. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. If the people really set their minds on anything, it is impossible to prevent their getting what they want. We don't want tradition. We want to live in the present, and the only history that is worth a tinker's damn is the history we make today. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages.